We start today with a lot of information regarding crypto airdrops as well as Linea, as you saw, as well as claiming and checking airdrops. So we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first thing is from their official Rainbow account, which is a wallet. There is a NFT over on Zora, which is this one, officially from their official account, tweeted out by them as well. So I will leave a link down below. Very important for the Rainbow airdrop, which we do know it is gonna happen. And this one, very important to go and mint it only for $2.50 when it comes to it. The transaction fees, otherwise it is free as always. So definitely go and mint it. Make sure to get it yourself. It is super important that you do get it. I will leave a link down below. It is from their official rainbowwallet.it, as you see over here. They tweeted out, all minted proceeds go towards the artist as well, which he did won a grand prize, but as well could be a multiplier for the airdrop. Following up, we got over here another task for the Rainbow airdrop. There is another task for the wallet that is sponsoring the season 2 of the Speed Tracer, which is a mobile Web3 game. What you gotta do is go to the Speed Tracer over here, XYZ. You need to connect your Rainbow wallet. You need to click on start and trace the track as fast as possible. So simply go and claim like this, as we see over here. For example, you need to trace this one and I crash. So simply go and play it again and as fast as possible as you can. If you got a mouse, way better. I am using the trackpad on the laptop. But if you have the possibility, simply do like this and you finish. The highest speed, as we see over here, somehow somebody did it in less than a second, which, all right, well, I mean, congratulations, don't know how is that possible, but once done, approve and mint the NFT over on the base chain, which you can see over here. Connect your wallet and get the NFTs. Try to be as high as possible in the rank, and the cost for minting is 0.0008 Ethereum. It is another task which they do, by the way, raised $20 million in funding also for this NFT over on Zora. Very important that you do get it because they did raise a lot of money funding and the airdrop will be very big. So definitely go and get it for yourself, as we see over here, also tweeted by them, the possibility of this NFT, which is super important to go and receive it, to go and collect it. Following up, we got a new Galaxy task for possible airdrop over from the Caldera Galaxy task. You need to have completed at least one Ethereum transaction in order to verify your Ethereum transactor Galaxy quest, which is this one right here, which I will leave a link down below. Of course, follow them, have the calendar roll, and like the calendars over on Twitter. So as you see, super simple to go and do it. If you need to follow them, simply open it and like them on another page. As we see over here, click on follow, everything is automatic, leave a like, and then go to have the calendar roll over on their Discord. If you do open this page once again, it will open to the Discord protocol. Accept the invite. Once you accept the invite, you will open it on Discord. Discord will open up. You will have to verify yourself over on their Discord server, which, once again, free to go and do, absolutely free to do and easy to go and do. You will then need to go and get yourself the role. Once you do all the transactions, simply come here, click on the arrow, go reload the page, and you have the possibility to go over here. We got the possibility, as we see here, the Caldera over here, Caldera, simply look for it, complete, verify yourself, very simple, submit it, verify over here. It is gonna be click here to prove you are human. It will redirect you to another page and you are good to go. So definitely go and do it, as it is the possibility for a airdrop, which I will leave you link down in the comments below. Following up, a very important update over for the debunk airdrop. Now, as we see over here, you can go and check the score. Now, if there is a score, there is an airdrop, which is definitely important to go and do it, important to go and get it for yourself. So the debunk introduced a new feature called the credit, a comprehensive system to measure the authenticity, the activity, and the value of a Web3 user. So the link will be down below if you want to go and check it for yourself. But the score, whatever it is, you know, it should be activate the credit card, become a real user, score yes to go. So simply click over here. Potentially you will have to go and verify yourself, but here we got the current value at 10. So I got the identification, which you need to mint a Web3, Twitter, Discord, simply add them, absolutely free. Asset verification, the net worth on chain, which I didn't even know. Wow, nice. Okay, I need to find them because I know where they are. We got the total number of days using the L2 payment. So different kind of things that will give you a score which could be very important to go and increase the score for the possibility of an airdrop, because we do know DBank is going to have an airdrop, which is very, very important. And there is the possibility to go and receive it, as well as if you go over here to the DBank page itself, simply over on Twitter, you can go and check out also they do have a snapshot kind of already taken in a way, which is nice to go and see. So definitely go and get your score up. It is important. Do not miss out on the possibility of this one. And I will also leave you a link down below, their official Zora NFT, in case you're interested. And in case you didn't farm it yet, we did mint it quite a while ago already, but in case you haven't done it, I will find it for you, and I will leave a link down below. They have officially tweeted out about the Zora NFT collection as well, which could be a, a multiplier for the airdrop. It could be a credential for the DBank score that we just saw, but I will leave a link down below. Next up, we got the IONET airdrop eligibility checker is now live. It is on the Solana ecosystem. You can check the eligibility through the link that I will provide you down below, which is the one we just go and see here. The checker won't display your token allocation or points. Its purpose is to verify whether your wallet qualifies or not for the airdrop. And all you have to do, open up your Solana wallet, go and enter all the details that you need, and then go and simply click over on your Solana wallet, copy it, paste it over here, verify the wallet. I'm not eligible because I didn't even utilize this one, but let me know if you are eligible down in the comments below for this nice little airdrop. Following up, a very important update over on Linea, which if you do not take part yet, you are still able to go and join the search. The link is down below. It is a referral participation only, which I'm sorry for it, but if you wish to support me, thank you very much. And all you gotta do is sign up, and here you will have the possibility now to see your score over on Linea, which means how many people are there. There are daily users participating, 464,000, total point distributed, 3 billion, average point per user, 8,000. So make sure to go and check down below. How are you checking, and what is the possibility? How are you able to go and check the, the point system, how many points you received, and so what? Well, here it only displays 10,000 people maximum, but there are way more than 10,000 people for sure. And I have not really sure how to go and see it. But if you see over here on the search, simply go and insert your wallet. Simply paste it, copy and paste it from MetaMask, insert over here, and you will have all the information that you need regarding your ranks, which let me know your rank down in the comments below. You got the total point that you received, you got the active liquidity points, the ecosystem point, the referral points, and do know that the Linea possibility that we did, for example, for Stargate, and the liquidity that we provided for Stargate, or the liquidity in general, it is not yet counted on the protocol. So it will come later on. It is a little bit backed up. The logging is a little bit slow, but it will come eventually. So do not worry about it. For now, simply check your point. Let me know down in the comments below. Come and talk over on my Telegram. Free to join course, free to join, not course, sorry, free to join group. I don't sell courses. Free to join group. Come and chat with me and the community, but go and check your score and make sure to improve it by active liquidity points, ecosystem points, veteran points. It's too late. Referral points, if you got friends, make sure to do it. Next up, a very important update over on the Taiko ecosystem as well over here. They have launched this video, which is a new quest, a new format for a interaction with the protocol in procedure to the mainnet. And then also after the mainnet, they will keep on delivering some information. So here we got it, for example, the call for Taiko. You can register over here. Make sure that you are following the right page only. Do not take any, secondary thing whatsoever. You have heard of the call of Taiko, the trailblazer.taiko.xyz, this one right here. Make sure to go and enter it. Make sure to go and find it out. Make sure, oops, wrong one. I did close the wrong one. So make sure to go and enter it. Make sure to go and participate. You can start now, as you see for here, the call for Taiko, connect X, pinkify and share your profile picture by generating Taiko pink design and share it on X. And then you can register your wallet. And these are some journey for the airdrop in the future, which potentially will have to be included into liquidity and so on. But with that said, guys, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to do everything that we did talk about in this video. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. I will try and take you a second video today over on the channel. It depends how much there is going on with the crypto space, with the crypto world, because it is It kind of took out today, but it is a little bit slow, and you probably noticed that it is a little bit slow throughout the whole procedure, throughout the whole protocol. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.